Our topic says, God is my strength. Try a new background film something. We all know that this book was written by Apostle Paul. Ano Matthew siya. Apostle Paul have Philippians buhay raw way. Paul wrote the letter to the Philippians while in prison. Paul nói gì? Bà giờ bằng tình ga bà Philippines tôi mình gọi là gì? Bà letter dạ kể. Main point. In life, you may feel like I cannot do something. Rinting. Yes, you can laki. Bible dini. I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Ayun illustration of something. Battery give power to a toys. Toys है battery hara खोंदी पलाके battery सन लोहालन रा battery खोंदी पलाने. Sikum diu semain lagi down camera Jisu kuga wang lo sai. Anya puntan pikar away. Remember, Mindalo. 1. You are not alone. Now sinron hamake. 2. God is always with my friend. Jisu I see. Jisu nunggu awak tentang ni. 3. Have faith in God. He will give you strength. Jisu tumlum no. Jisu sai. Jisu no. Ayun ni puntan pikir away. My friend, when you are down, remember Philippians chapter 14 verse 13. I can do all things through Christ which strengthens me. Thank you.